Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival and something very rare for you. 2009 on a 59 plate Subaru Outback 3.6 R. This is the 3.6 6-cylinder petrol with an automatic gearbox, all-wheel drive, 5-door estate. It's finished in the metallic grey and it's covered just 36,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this very low mileage Outback automatic. Fantastic looking car, extremely rare. These very rarely come up on the used market. It's quite a niche thing. 2009 on a 59, 2 former keepers, 36,000 miles. It's got a 9 stamp service history throughout its life, a mixture of main dealer and independent. Looks the part in this graphite grey metallic. Not the cheapest thing in the world to run. I'm not going to try and make any excuses on that side of things. The tax isn't cheap, the fuel consumption is not fantastic, but it's a fabulous bit of kit. Extremely smooth. 17-inch alloy wheels are in really good shape. We've got Michelin tyres on the front, Yokohama tyres on the back, so it's on good rubber and really looks the part for what's approaching, or what's a 15-year-old car now. Bodywork's lovely, the interior is even better, and the specification, again for what is a 15-year-old car, really impressive. As we have a look inside, so we've got a full leather interior. Now these front seats are electronically adjustable. They have a couple of memory options. They're heated and they're cooled as well, so a bit before its time really, this one. 4 electric windows. You've got this wood effect. All the door cards are in really good shape. It's got rubber mats. You've got Subaru embossed into the kick plates. All the trim's really nice and tidy. Electronic handbrake. Electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. It's got keyless entry. It's also got keyless start. Steering wheel's in really good shape. It's just not had a hard life at all, this one. You've got cruise control. You've got your paddles on either side. You've got your Bluetooth controls with voice recognition. We've got automatic lights. We've got automatic wipers. There's your mileage, just ticked over 36,000. Recent spark plug change, which obviously isn't particularly cheap on these, being 6-cylinder. You've got a leather centre armrest that lifts up, and in there you've got a 12-volt socket. Plenty of storage. A couple of cup holders. We've got, there's your heated and cooled seats. You've got some different driving modes. Automatic gearbox, of course. Some more storage down below with another 12-volt socket. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks. You've got your satellite navigation disc as well, 2 keys, and then across to your infotainment, so dual zone climate control. You got your radio CD, it's FM and AM radio, and then up above you've got a nice big satellite navigation screen. It does have Bluetooth in there as well, and if I put the car into reverse, a nice big reversing camera at the back as well. So exceptionally well appointed for an older vehicle. You do also have an electronic opening sunroof as well, which is a nice touch. Into the back, again, fabulous condition. Electric windows in the back. ISOFIX the child seats. You've got 3 proper seat belts with 3 headrests. Centre armrest that pops down with a couple of cup holders, so obviously comfortable 5-seater. Door cards all good. And then round to the boot space. Obviously this is where it sort of comes into its own. Still extremely practical. You've got a parcel shelf at the top, split folding rear seats all the way down there. and then a really big flat load space, nice rubber load cover, but it's tidy underneath that. And you do also get the luxury these days of a space saver spare wheel and all your bits and bobs. So there we have it, something very different for you. 59 plate Subaru Outback, all-wheel drive automatic. It's the 3.6 R, 36,000 miles, 2 former keepers, 9 service stamps in the book. The car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT, along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment only basis. So if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Lovely old car, really well looked after. It will tick some boxes for some people. Something very different for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.